Hello guys, welcome all. I'm your host, none other than CPA Deko Mohammed. Focus today is to show you how to add the data analysis tab on the Excel. How to add the data analysis tab on the Excel. As you can see, if I go to data tab, I have here the data analysis. For some Excel, they might not have. So let me show you how you do that. For you to have that data analysis tab on Excel, you go to File. Then after File, you go to Options. Then from Options, you click on Adds In. After that, a window opens. In this window, you click on this Excel Adds In. You select that, you click, and then click Go. You see in my window, the analysis toolbar and the analysis toolbar VBA is already marked. If I unmark it, the data analysis tab will disappear. So you need to tick these two so that the data analysis tab should appear. So when you tick these two, you click on OK. After that, you'll be able to see the data analysis tab on the Excel. Thank you for watching. Welcome all.